Curls and Tresses is a boutique salon of exclusive human hair extensions. We have a wide range of collections to choose from. Here you can come and select color or similar hair texture for yourself. Today Kavya picks up a beautiful one-piece, curly hair extension for herself. One-piece hair extensions are usually worn at the back side to increase volume and length. These are very easy to wear. Kavya got a perfect match for her hair and it took her only 2 minutes to increase her hair volume. They blend so perfectly at the back and at the sides. They are also extremely easy to open. You can wear them anytime, anywhere. For permanent hair extensions, book appointment on the given numbers.